Everyone, this is Prakhar Saini and you are watching MBA and Life. Hey dude, stop doing DCP. Hello, this is CP, you freeloader. Today in this video, we are going to talk about top 5 slangs words which are mostly used in MBA. So let's get started. PC. PC is not personal computer Priyanka Chopra. It is placement committee, or generally known as PlaceCom. Placement committee is a group of students which is headed by a placement director of the college, which are involved into the activity of campus to corporate engagement, such as seminars, workshop, summer internship placement and final placement. Hey, start answering questions, else your CP will go down. CP is class participation. CP or class participation is a part of your internal assessment marks that can range from 10 to 30% of the total internal marks. It depends upon the various factors such as your participation in the class. That includes how you answer the questions, whether you interact in the class or not by asking relevant questions, whether you properly behave in the class or not, and at what time do you submit your projects and assignments. Number 3. Hey, I can't come to the party because I have to finish my assignment by EOD. EOD is end of the day. It is the most overused word in the MBA. It is used to set deadlines for various projects or any work which has to be done. Example, all the MBA students live by the deadline of EOD and they love EOD. Our professor always used to give us the assignments or the projects with the deadline like EOD 2 days from now, EODs 3 days from now, and so forth and so on. So what once happened that our professor gave us the deadline like 4 p.m. 2 days from now. The student went so flustered that they went to the professor and requested him to change the deadline from 4 p.m. to EOD. Finally, the professor changed the deadline and student got relaxed by saying the deadline as EOD. Number 4. Hey, have you seen him doing DCP? He is going crazy. DCP is an exaggerated form of CP, that is class participation. DCP stands for Desperate Class Participation. It is done by students who want to extremely highlight themselves into the eyes of professors. They do DCP by asking irrelevant questions or by saying something which highlight them in the class but adds no value to the class environment. I request you to avoid doing DCP or the desperate class participation. And if you know any such stories, interesting stories related to DCP, tell us in the comments. So, freeloader. Word of caution. Freeloader is a sensitive word and should be used only in informal environment among friends. Freeloaders are those who will find 10 crores reason to not do their part in the group project. They'll give excuses like, oh man, there is no electricity, my laptop is not working, my stomach is aching, my hand is aching, I have fallen down, can you please do my part? Or the best one and the best they will use is they'll ghost you. They'll remain away from you and they'll not even talk to you, they'll not even text you until and unless there is the time when you will complete the project and submit it to the professor with their name also written on the project since they were in the team. My words to you is, please be cautious of such freeloaders, and if you know interesting stories about freeloaders, tell us in the comments. That is for today guys. If you like the video, hit the like button, tell us all the interesting stories related to these slangs. Hit the subscribe button, it will be a great motivation and support for me to make more such engaging video for all of you, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Till then, take care, bye bye.